Welcome to Black Women's Health Podcast, a podcast and a platform dedicated to the health and healing of Black women. My name is Dr. Rahman, and I am a board-certified OBGYN. This past weekend, while many of us were watching the Olympics, I had the opportunity to go to Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Every year, for the past 3 years, first weekend in August, there is the Black Farm Tour. The Black Farm Tour involves cyclists biking 40, 60, 100 miles. And I can tell you, because I was there, that there were over 100 Black cyclists, men and women, Black women, really Black women of many different sizes and shapes, but Black women coming together and cycling 40, 60, 100 miles. Often we hear a lot of reports about the health of Black Americans and how we are at risk for heart disease and hypertension and diabetes. And we hear reports about how Black women don't exercise and how we are compared to other women at a higher risk of dying of breast cancer, higher risk of having high blood pressure and diabetes. And many times there's nothing uplifting or empowering. And that's what was so special about this weekend. Not only did we see Black men and Black women coming together and cycling through the roads in Rocky Mount, we saw that there really is a lot of good that's going on in our community if we but take the time to acknowledge what's happening and to embrace the fact that we have challenges. We have personal challenges. We have challenges as African Americans living in the United States, but there are some beautiful activities, beautiful people coming together on a regular basis to form community and to embrace health. And just to make it even better, the proceeds of this annual race, Black Farm Tour, which happens the first weekend of August every year, the proceeds go to the Triangle Bike Cycling Group, which is a group dedicated to helping the youth discover the joy of biking. And we're talking about minority youths, and it involves them taking bike trips throughout the country, throughout the year. And to help finance this, the Black Farm Tour contributes the money. So if you're curious, check out Black Farm Tour. If you're a cyclist and you're interested, plan to come next year, first weekend of August, Rocky Mount, North Carolina. It was exciting to see. It was uplifting to behold people, Black people, Black men, Black women coming together, embracing the idea of community and cycling together. Until the next time, this is Dr. Rahman saying, take care.